Hey guys, it is Wednesday here in West Virginia, and as I mentioned yesterday, we are going to take a look at the new Series 3 mystery models for 2024. We're taking a look at the first three, the Chase set. In my opinion, this is a much better set than what they had in Series 2. Series 2 had the Demolition Derby theme, so I guess the cars fit the theme. This set has the rally racing theme, so the cars are really cool in my opinion. I don't really watch a lot of rally racing, but I love the rally sport like games and such, and I love how these cars run these crazy courses at such a high speed. So they picked three great cars. Number one is the real chase piece. There's only one of them per case. There's usually two boxes with the flip front end, or front panel, whatever you want to call it, for each main case of Hot Wheels mystery models. They come two per box or per case. So you only get one of the number one true chase car that's usually blacked out with the question mark on it, like this. You only get one of them per two boxes. Now, the other two, however, which they show here, number two, number three, they will be usually two per box. Then, so you'll end up getting like four of these per case of number three and number four. I mean, number two and number three. Number one, there will only be one per case. So if you look through a box and you don't find the Audi, it doesn't mean somebody else went through it. It just means that was the case that, well, didn't get one. Sir Box didn't get one. I'm trying to make this not so confusing. So I just learned this past year, that it's only one number one per case of two boxes. And some of these, I will say, you only get like one of the number twos or threes per box, because I just got a fresh case today I went through, and I found it was two number twos, three number threes, and only one number one. Kind of funny that it worked that way. One, two twos, and then three threes. It just worked that way, unless maybe I overlooked one of them. I'm not sure. But anyways, let's go ahead and get this out. This is number one. Here's your sticker that comes with it. Number one, Series 3. And it is based on the 84 Audi Sport Quattro, which is a great choice for the rally stuff. And let me take it out and show you guys. I've already popped the bag open. I try to pull it like that so it opens okay. Now here's the car. This thing looks really good in this teal color, and it has a little bit of metal flake in it, and all this livery for Audi on it. Nice detail with the interlinking rings for the Audi emblem on the front. Detailed grille and headlights. Another great casting with the side mirrors casted in. Nice livery on the side for Audi. Number one, race number, done just like they would be done on the Rally series. And they do not have detailed tail lights. So this is still kind of considered a main line, because they are the same price. They're only $118, so we can't be too picky. But yeah, this is a great looking car. They did a really nice job on this one for the rally theme, and I think it's a great car to pick as the harder to find chase. Now the next one is a unique one for rally. You don't see them very often. It is the Porsche 944. I think that's what it is. It's a Porsche fastback. So yeah, Porsche 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. And there's your sticker with the number 2 on it. And we'll put that there to the side. And let's get this Porsche out and take a look at him. And there it is. These wheels, I don't know, I don't care much for these wheels, but I guess they are like this road race style racing wheel. Number 2 on it with the 944. More subtle than what the Audi was. Another great casting, has the side mirrors casted in, and yes, it still has the telescope, or I forget what they call these things, but yeah, the scope that they use to listen to your heartbeat laying in the back. Damn, I'm slipped my mind 100%. I cannot remember what it is. So not much detail on the front part. Nice detail with the Porsche on the rocker, and number 2 on the door. Not any detail on the rear lights either. Get your tail pipe cut out. But yeah, that's still in there. And I forget there's a story behind that, why that is there. It's a there for I think it's a stethoscope. Sorry. No, I just now remembered. So it is there for a reason. The guy that made the car, that designed this casting, and I can't recall who it was, said that there's some reason why he did that. So it's kind of cool that it is in there. Then, last but not least, this is another hot car in the rally series. This is your Subaru WRX STI. Probably one of the most popular cars for rally racing. And number 3, and your Hot Wheels there with pink and such. And this paint job on this car is another very nicely done one. It is done in matte black with your number 3. And some pink and teal graphics, a little bit of white on the side of it. It has some graffiti stuff going on, and it has GRFX, I guess stands for graphics. And no tail light detail, unfortunately. No headlight detail, unfortunately. So, not very detailed at all, but another casting with side mirrors. I was pointing this out yesterday with the 90s street scene stuff. It's awesome how many cars Hot Wheels is producing with side mirrors now. And as I mentioned in that video, it's not just the premium stuff anymore. It's just the main lines is where they're starting out at with the mirrors casted in. That's why I don't understand why they couldn't have casted in mirrors on like their super casting for RLC. And then they have a new Mustang, like a 2022 Shelby coming up, and I don't think it has side mirrors. Don't understand that when they're doing it to their main lines. So hard to figure why they choose to do some and not do others. But anyways, guys, that's it. That is your new chase lineup for Series 3 mystery models from 2024 Hot Wheels. Hope you enjoyed, and if I'm not back tomorrow, I will definitely be back on Friday for our weekly Free It Friday. Thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy the rest of your week.